Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session I will share with you again new project. The project is basically creating our own intrusion detection system with the help of YOLO object detection. So with the help of YOLO object detection we will detect a person because we have our object detection model, the pre-trained object detection model which detect person. So we will use the pre-trained object detection model, and then we will send the alert message to Gmail ID. Simple. So this is basically the project. This is basically the whole project. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, today we will create our own intrusion detection system with the help of YOLO and the Gmail. We will create alert. Simple. So for that, when you purchase the project folder, I will mention the buy me coffee project link inside the video description box. Simply copy paste the link and purchase the folder, the project folder. So this is basically our project folder. Right click and then just click on extract all. It will extract the folder like this way. Again, inside that we have our main folder. So let me first show you what is the scenario. Remember one thing friends, the method is same, but of course the scenario will be changed. It is as per your requirement, but the method will remain same. So you can create your own system with the help of this Python code. So let's just watch the video file. So as you can see, this is basically the thief. We can say this is basically thief who is trying to go inside from this window. So my goal is, this is basically CCTV footage. So my goal is to create alert system. Simple. So for that, what we will do, let's just first watch video complete. Okay, as you can see, he's going inside. Simple, he is going inside. So simply this is completely fishy movement. So what we will do, we will draw here a polyline, because we have mouse move event function, so we can simply move the mouse on the frame, we will get the coordinates, and with the help of that coordinates we will draw here area, and then we will use cv2.pointPolygon_test method. So when the detected object center point inside the area, we can say that there is something we detected, and then it will send the frame, the current frame, as an image to our Gmail. Simple. So this is basically the concept. Now we will simply open our code. So I have here Tony Python ID. You can use Visual Code also. So I will open the code with the help of Tony Python ID. If you want to use a Tony Python ID, it is really easy. Simply search for Tony Python ID, download the latest version and install it. It is really easy to install setup.exe file, as we always install any normal software. So install it, Tony Python ID, and then open test.py. First we need packages. Go to the tools, manage packages, search for opencv-python. Hit enter. First package, click on install button, done. It will install opencv-python. Then we need ultralytics. Hit enter. First package, click on install button, it will install ultralytics. If there is upgrade option highlighted, just click on upgrade button and just upgrade the ultralytics package. It is really easy. Now we need here a CV zone. So CV zone, hit enter, and then we will simply click on CV zone package, click on install button, done. It will install CV zone on our Windows machine. So this is the packages which we need. We need ultralytics, opencv-python, and then we need CV zone package. Done. So we have done with package installation. If any error, you can simply comment or you can simply message with the help of buy me coffee. Simple. When you purchase the code, you can simply message me if there is something error in the code. That's it. So the packages which we need, we install it. So now first inside the code we want to mention sender email. So sender email, in my case I will mention sender email freedomtech80y@gmail.com. This is what my Gmail ID, which will act as a sender, Now the email password. So here we want to generate the app password, the Gmail app password. For that, inside project folder, one more thing friends, we install all the packages, but there is one important package which we want to downgrade, which is the numpy package. So inside project folder I have mentioned important.txt. After installing all the packages and upgrading all the packages like Ultraltix, OpenCV-Python, just we need to downgrade the numpy version. So here it is, as you can see, I have mentioned the important.txt file inside the project folder. Just open it. This is just a normal text file. Just open it, right click and just open as a text file. Copy this command pip install numpy, copy it and open our Sony Python ID, go to the tools, open system shell and then just paste the command. It will install this particular numpy version. Otherwise, because we upgraded the Ultraltix package, it will create the error. So I have tested it, and when we upgrade the Ultraltix package, we need particularly this version of the numpy. So just open the important.txt file and then copy this command pip install numpy command, then go to the tools, open system shell and then just paste it the command and hit enter. It will install this version for Ultraltix. Simple. So we have done with a numpy version also. Now as I mentioned, here we want to mention the app password. So again we will open our project folder. Inside that I have mentioned the file which is pass for gmail.txt. Just double click and this is the link. This is the link which we want to paste inside the browser. But remember one thing friends, first you have to log in with your Gmail ID inside the browser. So log in with your Gmail ID, then this link you have to copy. So I have already logged in, so now I will copy this link from pass for gmail.txt, the text file, and I will open the browser. So I have opened the browser. As you can see, I have signed up with my Gmail ID and then just press Ctrl+V and paste the link which I have mentioned inside the file. And then of course you have to mention your security code and all other things. Okay, so let me mention all the code. So as you can see, I have mentioned all the things as per the requirement, because we created here a Gmail security password. So you have to mention all this all the password for login. Simple. And then you will see this kind of page where you want to create the app. So creating app, as you can see, I have already created one. So simply I will delete that one. And now again I will create the new app. So let's just say YT my app. YT my app, you can mention any name and then just click on create. It will create the password. So this is what the password for my app. So let's just copy it, the password as it is. Open Sony Python ID and in password you have to mention that password. Just paste it. Just paste it. And the receiver mail, you have to mention the receiver mail. So I will mention the receiver mail. That's it. So let's just say this is what my receiver mail, where I want to receive the alert, So this is basically system, we can say. This is basically the system Gmail ID which will send the alert with the help of the password. And it will send the alert on this Gmail ID. That's it. We have done. There is no need to change anything from the code. I have mentioned all the things. Now if you go here cap c2 is equal to video.capture, here you have to simply mention your video file name, or let's just say if you have USB camera, then just mention 0. Let's just say if you have the CCTV camera, you have to mention RTSP stream, or anything you want to record or anything you want to mention as a live video. Simple. So I have mentioned the video file which we have inside our project folder alert.mp4. Now we have done, we have our packages, then we mention the NumPy version, we create the app, we mention the sender Gmail ID, we mention the receiver Gmail ID. That's it, we have done. Now one thing friends, let me what we will do, let me stop the code because I want to show you how you can mention the area. All other things are we have done. We just want to mention the area, which I have already mentioned it, but I will show you how you can mention the area as per your requirement. So first it will download YOLO v8s.pt model. As I mentioned, I have used here YOLO v8s.pt. You can use YOLO 11, you can use YOLO 12. So friends, as you can see, this is what our video file, and here you can clearly see I have drawn the area, the red color polyline area. So how I have mentioned the area, let me show you here the area coordinate. As you can see, this is the area coordinate. So because we have here this CV2.event mouse move function, with the help of this function, if I move my mouse cursor over here, we will get inside shell the coordinate. Simple. So let's just say I want to draw on this floor, I want to draw the area. So what I will do, I will go here. If I go here, if I stop inside shell, I will get the coordinate. At the end, mouse move to 30401. So 30401 is the first coordinate for drawing the polyline. So this is what my first coordinate. Same way you have to go over here. Then inside shell we will get the coordinate 116420. Then here 159595. Then here 524559. That's it. This is how you have to mention this area coordinates. And then with the help of CV2.polyline method, it will draw the polyline which I have drawn. As you can see, the red color. For that we have here the polyline area. Simple. So this area will change as per your requirement. For this video, the requirement is the window. For that I have drawn the polyline area on the window. Now friends, I am skipping the frame manually, then you will get the idea, because we have object detection model, we have polyline area. So when detected object, here let me show you, when we use here CV2.point polygon test method, as I mentioned. So when this is what our area coordinate, as you can see the np.array area np in.32. so this is what our area, and inside this area, if the detected object cx and cy means the center point, if it is inside our area, then only it will detect the object. Otherwise there is no rectangle, nothing. As you can see, for this person there is nothing. But when this person go inside the area, watch, he is inside area. As you can see, there is a green color rectangle, it means we are detecting the object, and there is a blue color center point, it means our object center point inside the area. And now you will see now this is what the perfect movement. So now if I stop the code inside, let me open the Gmail ID which we use for receiving, So let me open this Gmail ID. So friends, as you can see, I have opened the Gmail ID truckersfan66@gmail.com, which we mention as a receiver, truckersfan66@gmail.com. So now if I open, here it is. As you can see, we have message from Freedom Tech 85. So we have message from the sender email, and inside that, intrusion detected. If I click on it, you will see there is images. So friends, we created our own system with the help of YOLO, which can detect the object. We have area if the object inside area, it will send email alert. Remember one thing friends, the method will remain same. You have to only mention your Gmail ID, the two Gmail ID. One is basically the sender, then you have to mention the app password. I have mentioned the method how you can create the app password. Then you have to mention the sender Gmail ID. Then of course you have to create the area, the method how we can create the area, which also I have explained, and then you can simply send alert to your Gmail ID. That's it. So friends, this is how with the help of this code you can create your own intrusion detected system. I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.